Good morning, everybody. Myself, Sanjay Sir from St. Michael Academy, Chhaoni Betiya. Welcome to e-learning platform where we are providing online classes for our students of class 9, 10 and other sections. Here I am ready with a new poem of class 9, The Road Not Taken. This is a leading poem written by Robert Frost, an American poet who got Pulitzer Prize for poetry 4 times. This shows his greatness, his love for poetry, his innocence view to depict rural life of common people of that time. This poem is going to depict a very common topic of our life, that is related to choice, that is related to the decision that we generally take in our life, that is related to decision that everybody takes in his life and he or she is bound to take. This poem is an autobiographical poem by Robert Frost, who is going to depict a very strong point of our common life, that is the decision that we have to take in our general life and that gives shape to our future life. It's very common to describe here that each and every individual of our life is bound to take any decision at a very particular turning point, and that decision gives future shape in his or her life. The poet, once passing through a forest, he comes to a place, he comes to a turning point from where the road has been divided into two groups. The road has been divided into two ways. The poet gets confusion. Everybody gets confusion. Everybody is confused whenever this type of situation comes in his or her life. This is the season of the nature where leaves are falling from the branches, are falling from the branches of the tree. The poet stands there. He starts thinking about both of the roads, because without proper thinking no one can come to any particular decision, no one can come to any particular point. He thinks, he finds that the first road has been traveled by many of us, while the second one stands untrodden and it has not been traveled by any of the people of common society. What happens? He is also confused, but he soon comes to a final decision that it's better for him to go through the second road, less traveled, it is full of grasses, and he thinks that this road will make him a leader, will give him a point, a way where he will prove his praiseworthy, where he will find the way to become leader and make other people to follow him whatever he is going to do. He thinks that the first road that he is not going to take, he is not going to adopt, is not going to give him chances, is not going to make him differences in his life, not only in his life. So he starts going through the second way. He gives us warning that whenever this situation comes in our life, we have to think deeply and then we have to come to our decision, because the decision that once we take cannot be back. The decision once we take gives shape to our life, gives shape to our future. So he starts going through that way, making it clear that he will have his own way to prove himself, to prove his talent, and to prove his what? Praiseworthy. While he is going on that way, he finds that the first way that he left, that he couldn't take, that he didn't make his decision to go through that way, is now waiting for him. He depicts this confusion because this confusion is very common, because once we go through one way, and there is also possibility of second way. That second way brings our attention, and it's also sure it is the nature of our life that while you are going to follow your one decision, that decision follows you till the end of your life. I would like to say that you are not going to have any chance for the road that you left. So the poet makes it clear, it is autobiographical in nature, that this confusion, this point of separation comes, and it's very common in our daily life. So what should you do? We should think, we should come to any conclusion, and we should try to become a leader, not a follower. If he had taken the first way that was traveled by most of the people, was not going to make him a leader, was not going to give him a chance to make his praiseworthy, rather it was going to make him a follower. The poet comes to the conclusion with a very beautiful tone, with a very beautiful message, that decision whenever we have to take must be taken after deep thinking, after taking time, after making it sure that the decision I am going to take is a decision, is an integral part of my life till the end of my life. The poet has used so many literary devices like metaphor that adds beauty to the glory of this poem, that makes the poem international, that makes the poem common, that makes the poem universal, and this poem has deep impact on and around our life. We should not forget that Robert Frost has become an international personality after getting this poem written and published. We should learn from this poem that our life is also the result of the decision that we take in our present time, because it gives shape to our future life. The important questions which should be solved and should be tried to be written in the form of answer are, first one is that describe the two roads that diverge in the wood. Wood here, it means jungle, it means forest. And other questions are, where does traveler find himself, what problem does he face? This is very important question. And other questions are that, I would like to say, the third question, write the theme of the poem. Theme means the central idea of the poem that we learn after going through the poem. Other questions are also that the students are hereby advised to prepare the summary of the questions, and if they understand and if they write the summary, they will be in position to answer all the questions which are most probable for their coming examinations. Thank you.